I'm gonna plug in, Ronnie.
Yeah, we back. It's funny. Niggas wish they could make songs like I do, but then they wouldn't be themselves, and that's not cool. Hello, you stupid motherfuckers that been hating on me. Time is money, so I hope you got that LASIK on me. Surgery perfectly, come be the patient for me. I'm purchasing purple trees, got some papers on me, and I've been feeling it. I got a buzz building, I got some pills again, but I'm not drug dealing. Summertime sadness, so you know we gon' experiment. I think I'm done dabbing, I had a bad experience. Started out laughing, just passing, it was typical. Tripping like Smokey in the back of Debo Pigeon Coop. And I'm still smoking, yes I know that shit is pitiful. When the FIFA serious is Bayern or Liverpool, I learned to flip a few packs on a mission. Her sex good and her head make me go ballistic. Banging on me like she Tupac, I'm just listening. Come to bed, button up in tube socks, risky business. I'm on 6 beers, 1 joint, and a cigarette. And I had 6 beers, 1 joint, and a cigarette. And I'm on 6 beers, 1 joint, and a cigarette. And I feel good. Yeah. Wow. Get a wrap, get a sack, hope the smell strong. Order a Paps on tap, no more L's, homes. And it's a well-known fact that I'm well-known. Back like I left my keys wallet in my cell phone. Sitting in Hell's own kitchen eating hot Cheetos. Frito-Lays dipping jalapenos. And we know that he knows it's a settle that I stand for. So now it's me and the devil on the dance floor. So dance hard till you feel your spinal tap. Hoes start to glance more when they see the sign of cash. Shooting up with the needle, that'll play the final track. And then I bang the Beatles till the time is past. Damn, while I'm thinking of my future, I've been coping. Keeping options open, still choking while I'm smoking. Hunger keeps me balanced, so I'm really trying to focus. And I haven't even spoken about these labels taking notice. I'm on 6 beers, 1 joint, and a cigarette. And I had 6 beers, 1 joint, and a cigarette.
Go stand underneath it. I'll stand underneath it. Go.
It's in the water. How lucky is that, eh? In the water? Oh yeah, that mountain sucks. Oh, yucky! You want me to unplug it?
Yeah.
Oh. Holy fuck! Hey, nothing broke, except for the mount. Your GoPro's still good?
Should be fine.
Yeah, your GoPro's still good.
Not even the prop's fucked.
No.
I didn't even bend the prop. Oh yeah, 1 bent prop.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It's still good. The GoPro's in the water.
That's fucking hilarious.
Oh, I might call it.
Yeah, I'll call it after that.